Hello, I am Princess Camille and I will be discussing about inductive reasoning. But first, let me discuss what is inductive reasoning. It is the process of reaching a general conclusion by examining specific examples. It is when you examine a list of numbers and predict the next number in the list according to some pattern you have observed, then you are using inductive reasoning. Nagagets? I, ha- I have an example here para mas madali natin maintindihan lahat. So, I have numbers 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Each successive number is 4 larger than the preceding number. Thus, we predict that the next number in the list is 4 larger than 20. So, ano mapapansin nyo sa mga numbers na nasa screen? They're all divisible by 4 and it could be added just like you can just add 4 to every numbers na meron tayo. So, 4 plus 4 equals 8 plus 4 equals 12 plus 4 equals 16 plus 4 equals 20. What's next if we're gonna add 4 to 20? So, 24. We just had the final answer, 24. Nagagets? I also have an example here. These numbers are 3, 6, 10, 15, and 21. It appears that the difference between any two numbers is always 1 more than the preceding difference. Look, from 3 to 6, if we will count from 3, ilan yung mabibilang natin sa 6? So, 4, 5, and 6. So, tatlo. If we will count from 6 to 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, we have 4. From 10, we'll count to 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, what did you guys see? Nag-i-increase yung number niya, right? Sa bawat number na bibilangin natin, lagi siyang nag-a-add ng 1. So, since 15 and 21 differ by 6, ano kaya yung possible na answer? So, 15 to 21. Let's count. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We have 6. Earlier, we have 5, 4, 3. Tapos, napansin nyo, nag-i-increase yung number niya. Lagi siyang nag-a-add lang ng 1. Yun, guys, yung tandaan natin, ha? So, after 21, we just need to count off 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So, the final answer is 28. Nagagets nyo ba? So, let's try to use the inductive reasoning to make a conjecture. This is a procedure. You just need to pick a number, then multiply the number by 8, add 6 to the product, divide the sum by 2, and subtract 3. I have an example here para mas maintindihan natin. Suppose I pick 10 as my original number, then let's proceed para makuha na natin yung answer. So, I have the original number 10. What I just need to do is, I just need to multiply the 10 by 8. So, 8 times 10 equals 80. So, 80 plus 6, 86. I just need to divide 86 by 2. So, the answer is 43. And then, we'll just need to less 3 from 43. So, we have the answer 40. Nagagets? Okay, lipat na tayo. Okay, let's proceed to deductive reasoning. Sana nagets nyo na yung inductive reasoning. Ha, medyo madali lang siya. So, let's proceed to deductive reasoning. What is deductive reasoning? It is the process of reaching a conclusion by applying general assumptions, procedures, or principles. We will use deductive reasoning to establish a conjecture para mas madali natin maintindihan what is the differences between inductive reasoning to deductive reasoning. So, it has also a procedure here. I will just need to pick a number, then multiply the number by 14, add 8 to the product, divide the sum by 2, and subtract 3. So, solution, let n represent the original number. And then, multiply the number by 14. So, 14n, I just need to add 8. So, 14 plus 8 equals 22n. Divide 22 by 2, so we have 11n. And then, 11 minus 3 equals 8n. So, the answer is 8n. We just need to follow the procedure and the solution for us to be able to get the correct answer. We just need to follow the different procedure. Like, first is we need to multiply, then add, divide, and then subtract for us to be able to get the answer. So, yeah. I hope you guys understand what I have discussed earlier. For us to be able to understand what is the difference between inductive and deductive reasoning is that inductive reasoning aims at developing theory while deductive reasoning aims at testing an existing theory. It is like yung deductive reasoning is developing pa lang siya. Kumbaga, nagko-continue pa rin siya na makapag-process. Kumbaga, still developing. Kumbaga, open pa rin siya. Ganyan. While deductive reasoning aims at testing an existing theory. Well, yung deductive reasoning naman, before, it has already an existing theory where we can test na lang rather than the inductive na developing pa lang. So, that's the end of my presentation. Thank you. I hope you learned something from me.